Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about creating list. When we create a vector, we should have just logic, character, or integer or double there. But here in list we can have combine all of this. For example, I just create list here, list 1 here, list, and here I want to include double 3.5 comma logic comma integer comma and character and enter. And now I just type here list 1 and enter. You can see here I have the list. I have here 4 list 1 2 3 and 4. Here the first one is double, next one is logic, this one is integer, and the last one is character. And here if I want to find the type of this data before the list, I just type here str, and here I just type here list and 1, enter. You can see we have list of 4, and here we have the first one is number, the second one is logic, the third one is integer, and the last one is character. Despite this, we can create list in list. For example, here I just type here list 2 list and here I can type here 3.5 comma 4.3 comma L comma false and enter. Now here when I type here list 2 enter, you can see here I have list in list, and I just type here string and list 2 and enter. And here you can see we have the first one, we have list of 1, the second one we have list of 1 also, and the last one, this one we have list of 1. These are one list, the second one is the second list, this list, and the last one is we have list of 4, and we have this numeric value to integer, and the last one is logic. And that's it about creating a list, one list in another list, and also just one list. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.